walking.
It's all jakes.
Yep.
Yeah, he's coming.
Turning a little bit red now.
Mm-hmm.
See if he can get the beat on him or else.
Just trying to do it quick.
Yeah, I'm on him. I'm on him. That'll do it.
Well, we got set up on one closer to the house. It came through the fence and came across perfect. He was following two hens and got out, I guess, about 30 yards from us. And we got him pop his head up. And I squeezed, and all I heard was BBs hit the grass in front of us where it was so tall. It sounded like the shell didn't go off.
Sound like a dove load or something.
Yeah, I mean, it was definitely something was wrong with the shell. Anyway, he flew off. And so then, we figured we'd come back here. We had a few jakes spot us coming through the hollow, and they went up the hill. As we were coming back out, we saw him down in the field. The cat man using his wing bone call.
That's your wing bone call.
Oh, was it my wing bone call?
That came off of that bird that died right up the hill here.
Oh, well, the one you made. Anyway, he came to us like it was nothing. It was kind of a long wait because he was strutting around trying to
He was down.
get us to come to him. He was a couple hundred yards down through the field out in the, just wide open.
He was a good ways. He's at least 250 yards down there, and he gobbled 2-3 times.
Yeah, 3 times he gobbled at us. So anyway, today worked out good, and this is my 3rd one of the season. And I'm probably going to be done with this one because I am ready to start killing some coyotes that are raiding these nests, and the fawns are going to be dropping soon.
Well, congrats.
Thank you.
It's a lot easier to film when I don't have to shoot. I'll say that.
He's bleeding like